In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collapse checklists in Trello using a handy Chrome extension. If you're a Trello user like me, you may find that some cards become cluttered or overwhelming when filled with extensive checklists. Collapsing these checklists can significantly tidy up your interface and make managing tasks much smoother. Let's dive into the process of simplifying your Trello experience with just a few simple steps. First things first, fire up your Chrome browser and head over to the Chrome Web Store. Once you're there, you'll need to find the search bar, usually located at the top left corner of the page. Enter the words Trello Checklist Collapser and hit enter. You're searching for the extension developed by Brittany Joyner, so keep an eye out for that name as it should lead you directly to the right tool. Once you've located Trello Checklist Collapser, click on it to access its dedicated page. You'll see an option that says Add to Chrome. Clicking on this button integrates the extension into your browser. A small pop-up will confirm that you want to add the extension, so go ahead and approve it. With the extension now added to your browser, it's time to see it in action. Now, switch over to your Trello board. If you already have it open, don't forget to refresh the page to ensure everything syncs correctly with the new extension. A simple refresh helps your Trello board recognize the added functionality. Once your page is refreshed, navigate to any card that contains a checklist. When you open the card, head to the section where your checklist is displayed. You should notice a small triangle icon has appeared next to your checklist. This little triangle is the star of our show. To collapse the checklist, simply click on the triangle icon. This action will neatly pack away your checklist, leaving only the checklist's progress bar visible. It's an elegant way to keep your card organized without losing sight of your progress. Feel free to toggle this feature as frequently as you need. It's designed for your convenience. And just like that, you've learned how to keep your Trello board looking neat and easy to navigate by collapsing those checklists with a simple click. With this extension, you can focus on what really matters without getting lost in a sea of tasks. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your newly streamlined Trello experience.